Hey guys, so today we are going to be plane spotting here in PTFS, Greater Rockford. Yeah. Let's see what this first plane is. It's a Turkey Airlines. This is a Boeing 777. It's route. Here's Stride Air. Where there's a lot of planes landing in that runway here because it's the most closest to the gates. Uplift. Bruh. Bruh. Bro. Bro, what the fuck? Bro. This is the plane spotting gone wrong. Yo. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. This airbase. Its route is from Perth all the way to GR. Oh! The plane loves snow. Oh, the plane loves snow. He loves snow. Bye. Let's go check on that third thing. Emirates. Emirates. Emirates, Emirates, Emirates. Oh, thank God. Nice one. This is a Lufthansa E350 route GR to LA. Yo, this is the Emirates Boeing 777. This route is Greater Rockford to Perth. Yo, this airport is chaotic. Okay, guys, so that's it for today's video. This is a PTFS Greater Rockford plane spotting gone wrong. Here's, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.